Here's how to change your Roblox currency in Roblox. So first, go ahead and launch your web browser, go to roblox.com and log into your account. Your currency is connected to your account's location. To change it, you need to change your account location as well. So go to your Roblox homepage and replace home in the URL by support. Write roblox.com/support and hit enter in your keyboard. Now, on the support page, you need to enter your correct username, your first name, your email address, which is associated with your account, and also confirm the same email address in the next field. Now, under issue details, you need to select the device that you're having problem on and select type of help category and choose how to. Under the sub help category, you need to select how to change my location. Then describe your issue. For example, write, I am currently located in France and I'd like to update my Roblox country to it. Roblox might ask for confirmation that you're actually in that country, and after you confirm, the currency of your Roblox will change on the website, app, and everywhere else. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.